Kusemzimkhulu wezohatsha la sikhona sizethulazi sachisa nanzi yesijileko.
To litigate over an interim report while the entire exercise is still underway will really be frivolous and time wasting, to be honest.
Umkhulumeli kaMengameli uVincent Magwenya uthi kuza kuba kudlala ngesikhathi kulabo abangafuna ukumangalela ekhotho ngokungavezwa emphakathini kombiko wesikhatshana wekomishini kaMadlanga. Kuphehuke irawurawo ebandleni lesibethamthetho saKwaZulu-Natal nakusachiphirika ivoti yokungasathembi uNdunankulu uNduli.
Iziphathimandla ziqinisekisile ukuthi bahlanu kuphela abantu abasashonile ngenkathi kudilika ibhilidi leli elisemva kwami.
Amakhuwo nobudisi njengomana kusafunanwa nabantu ekungenzeka bona baminyezeleke ngaphasi kwamagade womakhiwo wesonto ugirike eRedcliffe eFerulam KwaZulu-Natal.
I agree that my choice of words was not the right one, and I want to apologize for that.
Umbanduli wabafana bafana uHugo Bruce uncancabezile ngenkulumo ekuthiwa batsho ngeyokuhlonyana ngobuchaba ayikhulume nakasola umbekezeli Mbokazi. Kuyangithokozisa ukubuye ngihlangane nawe mbukele endabeni zesiNdebele ku-SABC 1 Lotshani Makhaya. Undunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal uThamsanqa Nduli uphunyukhile emzamweni yokumsusa njengondunankulu ngesiphakamiso sokungasathenjwa. Kuphehuke irawurawo ebandleni lesibethamthetho nakuphikiswana ngendaba yokuvota. Kanti isichukumiso esisisekelwe ihlangano ephikisako KwaZulu-Natal umkhonto wesizwe party yasekelwa yi-EFF.
No, honorable members.
I-MK Party akhange yizwe kuhle indaba yokuvotela tshachalazi kungasamthembu undunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal uThamsanqa Nduli. Ihlangano le igandelela ukuthi amanye amalunga wehlangano athuselwe ngokubulawa. Kodwa nanyana kunjalo uSpeaker wesibethamthetho saKwaZulu-Natal uNontobeko Boys ugcine ngokuthi ukuvota kuzokuraga tshachalazi.
We will continue with the voting. Open voting.
Kuthe bona uSpeaker memezela ukuthi kuzokuvotwa tshachalazi kwaphehuka irawurawo bekwabiza besizwe ligabako.
There has been a member there. I'm not sure what happened to the member of the legislature, but it would seem that it's either she fell or she was pushed down or something to that effect.
Kanti kikho konke lokhu uphuma Zithinditha uNduli wathi bekangakathwenyeki nakancane ngalokhu.
The motion has failed. Honorable Nduli remains the premier. The house is adjourned.
I was not worried at all because the motion was registered by the MKP and supported by EFF, who never supported the GPU.
uNduli wehlangano iIFP wafungiswa njengondunankulu waKwaZulu-Natal wehlandla lechumi ngomgwenkweni ngo-2024. NginguNontokozo Sikhosana wendaba ze-SABC ngikubekela ngise-Auckland Park eJohannesburg.
I-ofisi kaMengameli ivezile ihlathululo malungana nombiko wokugcina wekomishini kaMadlanga bona uzokuvezelwa umphakathi. Umbiko wesikhatshana kulindeleke bona uphume ngelesithathu kodwa naloyo wona angeke uvezelwe umphakathi. Konke lokhu kwenzelwa ukuqeda ifunisela ekhona malungana nombiko wekomishini kaMadlanga.
I-ofisi kaMengameli ibone kungcono ukuveza bona umbiko wokugcina opheleleko wekomishini kaMadlanga uzokuvezela umuntu wonke bona ubone. Lokhu kuza ngemva kwefunisela evezwe kurhatshaka kwendaba ezithi umbiko wesikhatshana wona angeke uvezelwe umphakathi.
The final report will be made available to the public. So the final report will be released to the public. The commission will advise the president on areas that are of national security sensitivity and how those areas will need to be managed.
Uyahlathulula Magwenya bona bafike njani esiqondweni sokuthi umbiko wesikhatshana ungabi sesitshalazini.
Some of the witnesses that have come before the commission are going to be called back again to continue with their evidence. Some had evidence located in certain specific areas, but not as broad as it was meant to be.
Ihlathululo lini ivela nje sekunekhonakala ukuthi isiqunde esinjalo singayokuphekiswa ekhotho. Umagwenya uthi nangakhe kube yini abayokumangalela ukuthi umbiko wesikhatshana awuvezwe eshashalazini kuzabe kutsho bona badlala ngesikhathi sabo.
So to litigate over an interim report while the entire exercise is still underway will really be frivolous and time wasting, to be honest.
Isikhatshana ulindeleke ngelesithathu.
Ikhasini lethu le-Facebook sibuze ngendaba yokuthi umbiko wokuthoma wekomishini kaMadlanga awuzukubona umuntu wonke kodwa wokugcina uza kuvezelwa umphakathi. Uthini umbono wakho?
Ukuthi isazo qhubeka noma iqhubeka iCommission mina ngibona kufana nje akwenza imehlo.
Ithemba andinalo kwiCommission kaMadlanga ngoba ndabona nakwiCommission kaTatu Zondo zakubekho into ilungayo.
Abakunambono singawutsho ngoba kuyafana egcineni kokuphasa lakhe igama uRamaphosa lo neMadlanga kwiCommission leyo.
Asilinde awuvezwe umphumela sizwe ukuthi kuhambe kanjani kuCommission.
Ndicinga uba singamehlo sinendlebe make sithule simamele sibone umongameli othatha isigqibo.
Ekugcineni sikudinga ukuthi phela kuboshwe bonke abantu abathinteka la enkohlakaleni.
Umphakathi siyadinga ukuzwa ukuthi uthini njengoba besilokhu siyilandela nje sesidlangalaleni. Uma bengasafuni ukuthi isazi bekumele kwaseqaleni ingabi semphakathini lento.
Le commission kaMadlanga sendijahe uba ifike ekugcineni. Khona ndizobona uba iyozala nkomoni.
Ukuthunyelwa kwengxelo kumhlekazi uRamaphosa andiboni kuzoba nafuthe kuba akazubasusa akazubagxotha ubabandakanyekayo. Into enesisuke siyibone ukubulawa kwamangqina ahluleka ukuwakhusela.
Kuyafana nje umsakazi seyidliwe kakhulu imali yentela yabakhupha South Africa ngoba umuntu yabuka wonke lamakhomishana asekaba khona uphi umphumelo soke wenzeka.
Uma kuukuthi ngezosebenza ibophe abantu ekufuze baboshwe singajabula kakhulu isikakhulukazi ngoba bangeyona ikhomishana yokuqala.
Kanti umbono ngeumbukeli SABC ayizukuthweswa umlando wokuziphepulela ngombono umbukeli. Abahlanguli bebasaraga nokufunana nabantu ekungenzeka bona baminyezeleke ngaphasi kwamagadi womakhiwa wesondo ugirike eRedcliffe eFerulam ehlagweni yaKwaZulu-Natal. Ngempela veke kutholakele intumbe ezihlanu. Imphathimandla zithi azinaqiniso lokuthi bebabangakhi abasebenzi bekontraka ebebasendaweni le nakuzagirika umakhiwo lo. Babunane abalimeleko. Asizwe nakumbiko ngombiki ndaba wethu noNhlakanipho Magwaza.
Iziphathimandla ziqinisekisile ukuthi bahlanu kuphela abantu abasashonile ngenkathi kudilika ibhilidi leli elisemva kwami njengoba ubona nje abezimo eziphuthumayo nabatakuli basakhona namhlanje basazama ukubheka ukuqinisekisa ukuthi abekho yini abagcibeke ngaphansi kodwa sitheme esikhuluma nabo bayasho ukuthi izolo abekho abantu noma izinja azitholanga umkhondo ukuthi bakhona abantu okungenzeka ukuthi bagcibekile ngaphansi kwale lab noma kwale nqwaba yeyitini eniyibonayo lapha kumabona kude kunamhlanje kuthiwa kukhishwe ithimba nje elincane ukuthi lizoqinisekisa ukuthi ngempela abekho yini abantu abangaphansi kodwa okusele manje ukuthi iziphathimandla zizokwenza uphenyo mayelana nokuwa kwaleli bhilidi ukuze kutholakala ukuthi yini imbangela yayo ukuwa kwebhilidi kanye nezihlobo nabathandiwayo balabo abashonile bathi bafuna izimpendulo ngoba leli bhilidi ngendlela eliphakame ngayo noma elibalisheshise ngayo ukwakhiwa belusolisa kodwa ke sizozwa lokho ke uma iphasimandla sesiqedile ukwenza uphenyo. Okwamanje akukho okunye esingakusho ngaphandle kokuthi kulindeleke ukuthi kufike abantu noma ithimba elizosusa ilab lezi ezilanga phezulu ngoba bekusasuke ezintathu sekusele esesibili nesokuqala ukuze nezinja futhi zibuye zizoqinisekisa ukuthi abekho yini abantu abaqhubekile.
Nasibuya entolo. Lithabo kwaphela Ikwekwezi FM abahathi abaphathi nababelani bakhamba bakhombisa isitshaba abonongorwana babo ababathumbe kuma Telkom Awards. Indaba sekhona lapha mbukeli kanti nazi kuphunduleko uyazithola ku YouTube, SABC Plus, TikTok, X na ku Facebook. Asifake nazo. Ikhotho kaMagistrata weBelfast eMpumalanga ilithulisile icala lomuntu weZimbabwe uEdward Chitavi ekuzwakala bona utholakele nesiquthulo samapassport amakhulu amahlanu nama82 nemali engange 147,000 rand ikheji. Icala liyokulalelwa ngelesine. uChitavi uqalene namacala ekubalwa ahlangana nelobukhohlakali kanti kuzwakala bona ubotshwe ngeveke pheleleko nabeka sendleleni ayokuhlangana nomuntu obetha istempu amapassport layo.
Imizamo yamapholisa iza nemphumela emihle. Ihlelo lokusearcha ebelikhamba mahlangothi wonke lapha imphathimandla zomthetho endleleni ezikulu eMpumalanga zijamisa inlelesi endleleni. Lapha kubotshwe khona uEdward Chitavi obotshelwe icala lokutholakala phethe imali engangemali namakhulukhulu wamapassport. Kuthiwa batsho indoda le kade isendleleni ayokuhlangana nomunye umuntu ogada bhadelisa ukufaka intempe ngokungemthetho kuma passport.
As a security cluster, we are content with the amount of work that we've done so far. We have seen the police being able to stop numerous cars. The stop and searches have led to several people being arrested at some of our ports of entries like your Mahamba border gate, Oshuk border gate, as well as Libombo border gate. But then we are also content, just like last week, there was someone who was arrested in possession of large sums of cash, as well as a number of passports that he was in possession of. So it clearly tells you that while people are moving up and down for the festive season, there are those who will take advantage of the situation, of the increased movement of people and vehicles.
Iphiko lezokutshutshisa komphakathi iNPA lithi liyosiphikisa isibawo sebail.
Due to the seriousness of the offense the accused is charged with, the state will oppose his release on bail because there is a likelihood for the accused to evade trial as he is a flight risk.
Umusi uthi okwanje isifundesi sifumane isibalo sengozi ezimachumi asithandathu solokthome uNobayeni nekusibalo esiphezulu nakulinganiswa nesibalo samachumi amane nantathu umnyaka opheleleko ngesikhathi esifanako.
Umkhatsho we-SABC othumbe unongorana wokuba mkhatsho uphambili eminyakeni u-2025 kuma-Telkom Awards Ikwekwezi FM ikhambele endaweni zaKwaNdebele eMpumalanga yokugidinga abonongorana abathathu ebathumbileko. Ikwekwezi FM iyile nemakhosini nakabanye ababelani bayo ukuyobatshengisa abonongorana beyamukele namezwi wokuthokoziswa. Kanti kusasa izabe ibambe umnyanya wokugidinga nabalaleli eKhulisile Palace empumelelweni eMpumalanga. Umbiki indaba wethu Mabhande Mthombeni ukhambe nayo Ikwekwezi ake simlalamele sizwe bona bakhamba phi. Mabhande yiza nazo.
Siyathokoza Cedric Ndambo estudio silochisa nombukeli osibamba ekhaya kwaMambala silapha kwaMhlanga endaweni zangaKwaNdebele. Ukhumbule ukuthi Ikwekwezi FM ithome ngale ku main lane ezanjalo yeze East Lane iyokhamba nginasi indlela le R5 73 lapha kukwamhlanga njengoba ubona so kulapha ikhambela khona itshengisa ukuthi kwaMambala izibethele njalo yakhona ukuzibambela yenza umehluko emphakathini ukutshengisa ukuthi abantu basesenethemba abalali basesenethemba emhathweni Ikwekwezi FM iyokhambela indawo ezifana nabo Siyabuswa ikhambe kuPhola Mall njalo njalo enabalaleli bayo. Cedric nombukeli ekhaya bathe nabasuka lapha ukhumbule ukuthi bakhambileke baya endaweni lapha ke engwenyameni yamandebele lapha ke eTlefontein kwabonakala ukuthi ke nayo ithabela unongorwana lo bamtholileko othole iKwekwezi FM.
Namhlanje sithokoze imanagement iKwekwezi nabo bonke abavela kuKwekwezi ukuzosibikela ngokomthetho begodwa basitshengisa abonongorwana abawinileko le abonongorwana ababuya ngendlela ebenikhuluma ngayo bekuyindlala kwamambala namhlanje sekulithabo lokuthi nikhone nani nibe ngabanye ababalwako eparadise.
Kanti ke njenganje bathe ukusuka lapho beza nangaphange emthambothini esigodlweni sakwanzunza Mabhoko njengoba babona ukuthi bakhambela zonke indawo zangaphanga kwaNdebele.
So as we sit, we've got 3 awards and Umphathi is here to present them to yourselves as a thank you for partnering with us as being a stakeholder that really supports us. And I must really say in Umphathi that they really support us even with the revenue.
Vele ke ukuphuma nasiphumela ngaphandle vele sahlangana noThulane Bonge ungomunye ofunda indaba lapho ku SABC 1
Kwekwezi FM. Azange kukholwakale nasebusuku sizwa ukuthi Kwekwezi FM iwine ibest documentary emhathweni yonke ngembiko omlando ukubika imlando namagugu ekhethu khulukhulu okusikhuthazileko ethombeni ngathi ukuthi kukubulunga isintu sethu kukubulunga amagugu wethu kukubulunga isindebele sibulungele nesizulwane nesako.
Engakutsho nje Cedric nombukele ekhaya ukuthi okwanje abahathi beKwekwezi FM bokuraga amahlelo wabo khona lapha ekhulisile lapha kwaBhahu ncange Sheldon ekhona lapha eMpumalanga bokuraga amahlelo njalo bekube kusasa kuyokuthi lapho kusasa ke bese ke kube nabalaleli bazokhona ukuthi ke nabo bathabe nomhathi wabo iKwekwezi FM. Ngithatha zonke indambo ngizibisela estudio.
Kezemali ranta linzinzile nalilinganisana nezinye imali ezikulu. Umbanduli weGolden Arrows uManqoba Mnqithi ukholwa bona iBafana Bafana inamandla wokuthumba iphaliswano leAFCON elibanjelwe eMorocco elithoma ngoSonto. iBafana Bafana yathatha ujamo besithathu ephaliswaneni leAFCON lomnyaka opheleleko.
Umbanduli weBafana Bafana uHugo Bruce wathola isiqhemisi sibhalela kungena ehelweni lengiqhema eziphalisana kuAFCON neBigiri Pass nakaqashwa ngo2021. Kodwa nokujugulule konke lokho iBafana ichinge eBigirini yePass kokuthoma solo kwango2002 kanti bachinga kuAFCON iminyaka ngokulandelana solo kwango2006 no2008. Umbanduli weGolden Arrows uManqoba Mnqithi ubuka imisebenzi kaBruce.
We must always root for this team because it has done so well over the past few years and they have been playing good football, I must also say, and also congratulations to Coach Bruce for taking the team there for the second time in a row, because that for me means something.
iBafana Bafana yarariningi ephaliswaneni leAFCON lomnyaka opheleleko nayiza kuqina ebujabeni besithathu. Lelo phaliswano iBafana beyithoma ukufika kuma-semi-final solo kwango2002. Umnqithi ukholwa bona iBafana inamandla kulithomba iphaliswaneli.
We can only wish now, after getting a bronze, you always want to climb the ladder and get and even jump silver sometimes and just go straight to gold. I wish them all the best and I believe they selected a very good team.
iBafana kusasa idlala neGhana emidlalweni wokubhinqela iAFCON eDobsonville Stadium. Ngelesithathu bakholisa isiphaphamtshini bachinga eMorocco kanti umdlalo wokuthoma bane-Angola ngomvulo eMarrakesh. Nakusenjalo, umbanduli Bafana uHugo Bruce uncancabezile ngalokho akujuleko ngeveke epheleleko lakaphawula ngokuladela kwakampekezeli Mbokazi ekampeni yeBafana kunye nokuhlihla nesiqhema seAmerica iChicago Fire. uBruce utbeka ngakahleli ukuninana ngokombala.
I agree that my choice of words was not the right one, and I want to apologize for that. But I repeat, I never wanted to make a racist or sexist comment. I'm neither a racist or a sexist.
Kanu captain isiqhema uRonan Williams utkubutisa ukuzibandula abanye abadlali baJoda njengomana abanye bebadlala imidlalo yokugcina nengiqhema zabo iphela veke phela kom. Williams utbaye pini emidlalweni wakusasa.
We're going to take it serious. You know, we've taken every game serious this last few years. That's why we've been on this unbeaten run. We don't see it as a friendly game. It's a preparation game, and we're going to treat it like that.
Umdlalo neGhana uthoma ngesimbi yesithathu ntambama kanti uzofumana bunqopha ku SABC2.